Learn how to unblock someone on your mobile phone in 2026. Follow these simple steps to restore communication in just a few seconds. Step 1. Using phone app settings, recommended method. This is the most reliable method because it allows you to view and manage all blocked numbers in one place. First, open the phone app on your mobile device. Once opened, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the More Options icon, usually represented by 3 vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Block Numbers or Blocked Contacts, depending on your device model. Here, you will see a complete list of all numbers and contacts you have previously blocked. Now locate the number or contact you want to unblock. Next to each blocked entry, you will see a remove icon, often shown as a minus sign or red dash. Simply tap on it and the number will be immediately unblocked from your device. Step 2. Unblocking a specific contact. If the person is already saved in your contact list, you can also unblock them directly from their profile. Open the Contacts app and search for the person you want to unblock. Tap on their name to open their contact details. Then select More Options, 3 dots usually located at the top or bottom of the screen. Finally, tap Unblock Contact to restore communication. Once completed, the contact will be able to call and message you again normally. Now you know how to unblock someone on your mobile phone. Like, share and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.